Welcome to F1 Blogs, your ultimate destination for Formula One news, insights, and analysis. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest stories from the fast lane. 2025, a year of change and determination. Aston Martin has announced a significant change in its mindset for the 2025 Formula One season, sparking hope among fans and drivers alike. After a challenging 2024 campaign, which saw the British team struggle to compete with the top constructors, many expected 2025 to be another year of rebuilding, with eyes firmly set on the 2026 regulation changes. However, recent statements from Mike Krack, the team's F1 director, have revealed a new determination to give the upcoming season their all. A look back, the challenges of 2024. The 2024 season was far from ideal for Aston Martin. Despite high expectations following a strong 2023, the team faced setbacks that hindered its performance throughout the year. Fernando Alonso, one of the sport's most experienced drivers, managed a respectable ninth place in the Drivers' Championship but struggled to break into the top-tier competition dominated by McLaren, Ferrari, Red Bull, and Mercedes. His best result was a fifth-place finish at the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix, highlighting the limitations of the Aston Martin car. With Alonso and Lance Stroll remaining as the team's drivers for 2025, the initial outlook for the season appeared bleak. Alonso himself acknowledged that the year could mirror 2024 in terms of difficulty, suggesting that Aston Martin's main focus would be on developing a competitive car for the 2026 regulations. Mike Krack's optimism changes the narrative in a surprising turn. Mike Krack has made it clear that Aston Martin will not write off 2025. Everyone will be working flat out for 2025. We have to be objective and assess where we are month by month, Krack stated. His comments indicate that the team is committed to maximizing their performance in the current season while also laying the groundwork for 2026. Krack's strategic outlook emphasizes that the 2025 season holds equal importance to 2026. There are no extra points in 2026 compared to 2025. There's still a Constructors' Championship and a Drivers' Championship to fight for, he explained. This statement marks a significant shift in the team's approach, reflecting a dual-focus strategy to improve their standing in both the short and long term. The challenges ahead. While optimism abounds, the road ahead for Aston Martin is far from easy. The competitive landscape of F1 remains dominated by the Big Four teams. For Aston Martin to close the gap, it will require significant advancements in car performance, strategic execution, and a united team effort. Krack addressed the complexities of balancing immediate goals with long-term planning. Depending on the hierarchy and gaps between teams, decisions will need to be made. Can we close the gap? Or will others close it for us? He pondered. This pragmatic approach shows that while optimism is key, realism will guide Aston Martin's actions in the upcoming season. Fernando Alonso's role in 2025. As a seasoned veteran with 43 years of experience, Fernando Alonso remains a critical asset to Aston Martin. Despite his initial reservations about the 2025 season, Alonso's competitive spirit and wealth of knowledge will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in the team's performance. With Krack's renewed focus on 2025, Alonso may find himself with new opportunities to showcase his skills and lead the team to stronger results. A hopeful outlook. The shift in Aston Martin's mindset has infused a sense of hope and excitement into the upcoming season. With Krack's leadership and a clear strategy, the team aims to improve their performance in 2025, making the season one to watch for F1 enthusiasts. Short description: Aston Martin gears up for the 2025 F1 season with a bold new strategy. After a tough 2024, the team commits to improving performance while preparing for 2026. Mike Krack's optimism sparks hope, with Fernando Alonso ready to lead the charge. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to F1 Blogs for more updates, in-depth analysis, and behind-the-scenes stories from the world of Formula One. Let's rev up for an exciting 2025 season together.